Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitbucket on Windows 10, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate your web browser on your Windows 10 computer. Open the web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type bitbucket.org and press enter. Once the Bitbucket homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your username and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Bitbucket dashboard. Here, you can view your repositories and other relevant information. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection. You may also want to ensure you are using the correct username and password. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will provide an extra layer of protection for your Bitbucket account. You have now successfully logged into Bitbucket on your Windows 10 computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.